Well, this thing's been around the block. He's rolled it more times than anybody else. Still one badass ride though. I suppose with the supply chain shit. Just in general.
Yeah.
The whole world's more expensive right now.
Oh, absolutely. How about you? I do know better.
It's pretty much done. I just got to take it apart and make it look pretty now. How's your shit working? Good?
Yeah, it's doing pretty good. This will be the last run for it.
Yeah?
Yep, Luke's gonna build me another one.
That's about to happen eventually, I figured.
Yeah, it's time.
Can I open it up? Okay. Nice.
This is that truck that's gonna fix y'all today.
That's right. He's gonna be a top contender for sure.
You'll be there.
There's a lot of trucks here today that I video. Son of a bitch. And they range. You know, I've seen this truck before. I don't remember what it is, but it's clearly a blown big block of some sort. What to do? Big Bad Wolf.
On both sides, though? No, you're fine there. It's fine. I'll walk around
Nice little piece of work here.
Yeah, see the names, they won't come together. All right, we're right here with Philip Gordon. We're talking about the Big Bad Wolf. Hey, Big Bad Wolf was blowing some smoke.
What's up, gentlemen? How you doing today? Let's make a little video for Facebook.
Your truck?
It's done, but I gotta take it apart and get it all ready. So next year we'll have it out, you know. Ugh. Some nice looking wheels there, boy. I love those wheels. Man, those wheels look good, Keith.
Hey, my man's out here polishing stuff up.
Fuckers look good. They're that's just a badass design too. Nope. On your way, sorry. brother? Taking a video of your truck here.
Only $100 a minute.
Only $1 a minute? All right, not so bad. For sale. Door don't work, I imagine, as per usual. Seen that door come open a couple times in a race. LOL. Hey, buddy.
Yeah, so it's it'll be an interesting one.
What's inside there? What is that? There's a squirrel in there.
I bought a brand new pack.
What's up, homie?
It's been a bad full transmission back out the wall. And it's got to find out the flex plate. Only got 3 bolts, supposed to take 6. So I welded the damn started to the damn flex plate. Just to make sure it don't break. I laid this on this last night, whacked the claw one time, I had to put the brake plate.
You're also set up differently, you know. It's kind of weird. All for the same purpose. You can go for a wild ride in this one, at least. Somebody go with you. A lot of trucks here today, boy. What's up, brother?
Hey,
Good to see you.
Damn good to see you.
What's up?
I've never heard of this guy.
Hello. Good, good. Hello. Lawless. Blowing water in there. Getting bigger. Big pond. The guys down there doing? They're a tourist. I'm just taking videos. We're good.
Get all in there.
Yeah.